Hello, my name is Paul Reeves, and I'm from Heartbeat of Jesus Christian Fellowship. Nung na-receive ko yung OCC box, I believe I was 16 years old that time. So it's quite a while already. And during that time, I was really excited. And yeah, I was really excited to open the box actually because our pastor told us na yun nga, may amount. Eh syempre that time, di pa naman ako masyadong kalago as Christian that time. So, was looking forward to have that yung mga dollars, ganun. But I received school supplies. And nalala ko pa nun may mga medyas din. But usually it was more on school supplies. And I remember yung box pa nun was like a container. Yung lock-in container ganun. And it's still, actually still alive until now. So nasa bahay pa rin siya hanggang ngayon yung container na yun. But of course, yung mga gamit wala na. And I really treasure that one kasi naalala ko rin, may letter pa from the sender. So, yung letter na yun, parang it gave more impact to me para to continue sa church. During the discipleship lesson, one of the lessons na tinuro sa amin nun was about yung okay. So one of the lessons na remember ko, that I remember was the creation. And during that time, since bata po ako noon, and it's actually my first time hearing the gospel of Christ, and I didn't have any knowledge about who God is, what He did to us. So the creation opened my heart and my mind para mag-continue sa Lord. And through the creation, I saw how beautiful, how wonderful, how magnificent our God is, and how good He is in our life. Because imagine, from nothing, He created us from nothing, and now we are something, and God has formed us into His own likeness, into His own image, and that really gave a great impact to me na sa pamamagitan nun nakilala ko na ako pala ginawa ng Diyos, na hindi lang pala ako gawa ng kahit ano lamang, but God created me with a greater purpose, and that is to enjoy and glorify Him forever. Right now po, I study Masters of Divinity in Christian Education, and I took this one because I really want to have a mission church or a mission community in our church, and I also want to use this course as a stepping stone to have a mission center at our church, teaching English to other nationalities. And aside from teaching English, of course, use the English language as a tool to spread the gospel as well around the nation. And right now, I'm really happy that I'm able to do that. So we are able to do that at our church. Kaya naman, nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos kasi imagine, from a few years back, I didn't know God of who He was, but now He implored to me, and pinakilala niya talaga sa akin kasi sino talaga siya sa pamamagitan ng mga pastor namin sa church, sa mga leaders church, and especially nang nag-aaral na ako sa Bible school. Sa ngayon po, ako ay coordinator sa church namin, so coordinator and admin sa church namin. So kung meron pong for example visitors sa church, so I'm the one who accommodate them po. And of course, sometimes I do monthly, I do preach sa church once a month po ako nag-preach sa church right now. And thank you so much po sa lahat ng ng parte po ng Samaritan Spurs ng OCC, from volunteers to sa mga teachers and sa mga trainers namin dito, sa lahat po, sa mga nagbibigay, to everyone who is part of this ministry, of this mission. I'm really thankful to you, and hope that God will bless you more, and and I really hope and pray that God will open your heart more so that this ministry will continue until the end of the earth. Yun lang po. Thank you so much and God bless you.